Okay, we're back at it again. So we're at a spot here where we're working on the quarter panels, and I got this so it's cut to the angle I want. I made the other quarter panels on here, so I took that off, and now what we're going to do is we're going to shape those. And the way you do that, I got the one left on here, so we fill it up with plastic bags on the inside of this so it doesn't stick to the cab. Here we fill it with the foam, and you can see how it has made the insert, and then you just cut all of the cardboard off it. Then what I did is, as I got it cleaned, I took this heat duct tape, because it's metal and it's kind of firm, and then I put kitty hair on here and shaped an inner panel, and this is ready to be sanded. So what I'm going to do then is get that so it's hard, and that's hard and ready to come off. I'm going to take that off, and I put that on there, and then this is the finished product, or the step I should say. So you can see how I filled it up with a bag, filled it with foam, took the cardboard off, and now when I put the Lambo doors on, there's going to be some shocks running through here, so I'm going to have to cut that off again and shape it. But this is the finished shape of how the kitty hair has been sanded off, smoothed around, and I got this bracket that I took and went in across here to help support that so it doesn't wiggle and move. And you can see where I capped it here. I'm going to fill that in with body filler, and that'll come back this way. Same with here. I put kitty hair on here to strengthen a few dents. There's a few little pits right there that I'm going to work on and cut out. And then that is working just like that. Then the next step after that is smoothed out. When I got that all smoothed out, then I'm going to use and put a blanket of fiberglass repair on it. We'll use this blanket, use that blanket, use the resin, mix it up with the hardener, and we'll lay one blanket on there, and then that will cause that to go smooth, and then it'll be a nice surface. And then I'll take, when that's done and hard, then I will take and put I'll put some underbody rubberized undercoating on it to hold it. You want to make sure when you're working that you wear earplugs, a respirator, safety glasses, and a good hat that talks about getting real, the real American voice. Good news channel. Anyway, now the compressor's being loud and obnoxious. Here's the tool I use to make it straight, a board sander. And then I use a 36 grit orbital motor, and I can use an air sander too, but I just thought I'd use the electric. And you can use this sidewinder to shape it as well. And I'm going to get this one here done. We'll come back and I'll show you how I'm laying the fiberglass on. Fade to black.